In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to set delivery preferences. In order to set delivery preferences on your Flipkart account, you need to follow these steps. So basically what here you need is, first thing first, you have to have a Flipkart account. Now, what you need is to set a delivery preferences. You can typically do so through the deliveries company's app or website or during the procedure as well. To set a delivery preferences on Flipkart, you can change the delivery address or a delivery date for the order or for an order, but you can't set a general preferences like preferring a specific delivery time. You can change the address before the item is shipped by going to order in your order selection and the order and clicking the change button as well. First of all, open the Flipkart app. Go to the account section from the bottom right corner of your screen. Select order from the list to see your list of orders. Then you want to choose the order for which you want to change the address. Find the current delivery address and tap the change button. Then you want to select a new address for your saved address or add a new one. Confirm the new address. This option is only available before the product is shipped. So this way you'll be able to set a delivery preferences Flipkart. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.